Guardian Life did not make it to our mail list because of its low average JD Power rating and the limited riders available for its policies. USAA Pros. Military members can get coverage during war. Offers survivor support. High cap on the value of their policies. Cons. Medical exam required for all policies. Some policies unavailable in New York. USAA is not part of our man list because it's only available for military members and their families. Though it is not included in JD Power's latest study of customer satisfaction or rated by rating agencies, the company has a strong record in this regard, including favorable complaints records with insurance regulators. Mutual of Omaha Pros offers online course, affordable underwriting for health condition including cancer, offers a whole life insurance policy for children. Cons. Policies for individuals in good health are priced than average, must apply to discover whether medical exam is required. Sparse website resource. New York residents have limited options. Mutual of Omaha did not make our list because the premiums are higher than industry norms for applicants who are healthy and are older. Applications and processing times are also slower than those of some other insurance providers. Liberty Mutual Pros immediate online approval for passport term simplified issue insurance. Continuing coverage once the term ends. Cons. Monthly premiums are higher than average. No detailed information about policies on the website. Liberty Mutual is not part of our man list in part because other companies on our man list provides more detailed information about policies and offer a large array of term insurance options. State Farm Pros premium vary depending on the customer's need. Optional aids one include children's term rider and waiver of premium for disability. Discounts available for bundling homeowners and auto insurance. Cons. Policies are only approved in office. No live chart option on the site. Not licensed in MA, NY and WI. State Farm is not part of our main list because while it allows the purchase of term coverage online, you need to visit one of its bricks and mortar location to complete the process. Life Insurance Guide. This life insurance guide aims to answer questions related to life insurance and its different policy types and options in order to help you more readily select the best life insurance policy for your needs and budgets. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between a policyholder and an insurer in which the latter guarantees to pay a sum of money to a named life insurance beneficiary upon his or her death. This sum, known as death benefit, is funded by premium payment made throughout the lifetime of the insured. How does the insurance work? Life insurance protects family members and loved ones from financial hardship upon the death of a primary breadwinner. Yet life insurance is not exclusively available for adults and elderly. Many companies also offer life insurance for children, which can cover any expenses in the case of death, help with future insurability, and provide economic support through the cash value component of the policy. At its most basic, life insurance has two main components, a death benefits and a premium. The death benefits, also called the face value, refers to the lump sum of money the insurer agrees to pay out the named beneficiaries upon the policyholder's death. Premiums are payments made by the policyholder to the insurer in exchange for the policy. Premium are determined by the insured projected life expectancy. High-risk individuals or those who purchase a larger death benefits amount or a permanent life insurance policy generally pay higher premiums. Permanent and whole life insurance policies also include a cash value component that can serve two functions. First, as a saving account in which cash accumulates on a tax-deferred basis and which the insured can usually access during their lifetime. Some policies may restrict withdrawal depending on how the withdrawn money will be used as a way to cover the policy's premiums or to purchase additional coverage. Note, however, that the cash value is a living benefit that stays with the insurance company when the policyholder passes. Any outstanding loans against the cash value will reduce the policy's death benefits. What are the different types of life insurance? Life insurance are typically of one of the following types. Term life insurance coverage lasts for a predetermined period, commonly 10, 15, or 20 years, and then expires. Whole life insurance covers the insured for the duration of their life as long as the premium are paid. Policies include a guaranteed cash value component and monthly premium are typically fixed. Universal life insurance, similar to whole life, this coverage type protects the insurance for the duration of their life as long as premium are paid and also includes a cash value component. The cash value component in this policy is not in a guaranteed amount, rather it fluctuates in steps with the market. No life insurance allows you to get the coverage you need without leaving the comfort of your own home. Getting quality term life insurance should not be a hassle. Skip the doctor's appointment and get the coverage you need today. Just click below to get a free quote. Latest news on life insurance. Life insurance company will likely charge their higher premium and might even deny coverage to COVID-19 survivors. Our life insurance experts have looked into how life insurance cost could soon increase for people who have battled COVID-19. You don't have to break the bank to afford a life insurance policy. To help you save you premiums, we have put together a list of 7 ways to pay less for life insurance. With the life information at hand, buying life insurance online should not be a complicated process. To help you, our money team has put together a guide on how to buy life insurance online, what to expect, and tips to make it easier. Life insurance companies frequently asked questions. How much life insurance do I need? There is such nothing as a hard and fast rule for figuring out a price tag on your life insurance needs and peace of mind. Still, a basic starting point is to determine your financial obligations and future and final expenses, and then to subtract any liquid asset you may have. In any case, it is a good idea to consider life insurance within a larger financial context if you can. It is a good idea to talk over your life insurance needs with a financial planner. A proper life insurance policy will protect your loved ones from the unexpected. No times like the present to get on the estate planning path. Do it right with life insurance and take care of your family. Click below for more information. How we choose the best life insurance company. As part of our methodology to come up with our list of top life insurance companies, we looked at the ability to pay claims on time, customer experience and product offering, customer satisfaction and ratings as reported in J.D. Power's latest U.S. Life Insurance Satisfaction Study and the AM Best Financial Strength Ratings. The number of complaints regarding their individual life insurance policies based on NAIC data, the selection of insurance plans and related products, simplicity of underwriting. Summary of Money's Best Life Insurance Company of January 2022. Best no exam life insurance. Northwestern Mutual, best for policy customization. Haven Life, best from life insurance. Policy Genius, best comparison tool and broker. Ethos, best for accommodating diverse ages. Ladder, best for cheap life insurance. Nationwide, best for high customer satisfaction. New York Life, best for mutual insurance.